बिल्कुल। हाँ। रागादिरोगान् सततानुसक्तान् अशेषकायः प्रसृतान् शेषान् औत्सुक्य मोहारतिजान् जङ्घान् यो पूर्ववैद्याय नमोऽस्तु तस्मै यो पूर्ववैद्याय नमोऽस्तु तस्मै यो पूर्ववैद्याय नमोऽस्तु तस्मै. Good evening, friends. Now we are approaching the fag end of our course. Till now, we have learned all those five levels in the pulse which are essential for making a diagnosis. And those five levels are to be identified independently, analyzed independently, and once you gather the information from all the five levels, you have to adjust all this information like a jigsaw puzzle. You must be aware about jigsaw puzzle. You must have paid in your childhood, or you might have given it to your children. It's a broken picture into multiple pieces. All these pieces needed to be arranged in such a manner that they fit within each other. As all these levels are interdependent, interrelated, and interactive, we need to get the information from all these five sources. And once you got the information from all the five levels, you have to just arrange those small pieces together to make the complete picture called diagnosis. There are certain fallacies in this, limitations. I won't use the word fallacies, are not correct word, it's a wrong word. There are certain limitations with this particular system because this is a very preliminary system. It has its own limitations. The first limitation is it when it comes to subdosha, for each dosha you get information about the most actively participating subdosha, not all those subdosha of vata. Like it is not uncommon to have pran and udan together. It is not uncommon to have saman and apan together. There are certain diseases where this kind of togetherness is picked up. So in that case, the pulse can tell you only the one which is the most dominant. That's a limitation of this process. If you find two things together, it doesn't identify two things together, it makes it five. So you have to be little bit very cautious when placing fingers. Sometimes these are so thin lines, so may feel that it is somewhere on the end of first, and then you may get confused with the starting of second, or it is in the starting of second and you may get confused that it is a part of first. So you have to be little bit cautious, very keen, observant how that wave hits your fingertip. Number one. Secondly, when there is a avarana, it cannot define it. It is impossible. Avarana, for those who are non-Ayurvedic, for them, this is not at all a condition existent. But for Ayurveda people, it is a condition, but very rarely diagnosed. No normal physician will ever diagnose avarana in his practice unless he has been very profound. So Nadi has that limitation. It is unable to identify that avarana condition. Third, same thing as sabdosha, it is with the dhatu. If there are multiple dhatu involvement, like in the cases of kushta or in prameha, where there are multiple dushas, it tells you only about the dominant one, the prominent one. It won't tell you about all those dhatus involved because identification process has its own limitations. So my suggestion to you all is make sure that you are meditating. Let your patient meditate for few minutes prior you examine. You also meditate every day. So the sensitivity will improve. You try to practice. Now some people have shared some photographs. Not all, very few. But then if you check it out with them, they you will find it. They have at times are able to identify one, there are multiple times two. So this happens because of that limitations. Identifying the location may not be very clear. So my suggestion to you all is be conversant. Don't claim anything unless you check 1,000 pulse. Practice for next 2-3 months, 100 days. Every day 30-35 patients or your own pulse 30-35 times. That will enhance the confidence of your touch perception. And once you are able to identify the touch, once you are able to perceive the touch at right place, then diagnosis is very easy job. It's a plain algorithm. There are no complicated algorithm, at least at this level. Further levels of pulse do carry some complicated algorithms, but at this level, at a very basic level, preliminary course of pulse, algorithm is very simple, straightforward. So make sure that you are checking the pulse at 5 different levels. One has to check the pulse in one go, 90 seconds. Check the pulse, all the 5 levels, immediate, superficial, deep, sabdosha, dhatu, and then try to write it out. Don't try to write any time, whether it is picking, write, regular, write. Don't do this. If you do that, you are bound to make a mistake. You are bound to not identify the right set of information from the pulse. And as you have got wrong information, your diagnosis will be wrong. Let us see how you diagnose. Let me share you today because we are going to check how the diagnosis has to be reached. So it can be reached only by one process, identifying the pulsation, and with the pulsation, how to use the algorithm. Are you ready? So your paper and pen has to be ready. You are supposed to write down a case. My suggestion always in initial phases is write down one point below other, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, 13, 14 points are there. You can easily make it out. Okay. So everybody ready?
Yes, sir.
So Let us go with the case. It's a pricking pulse. Regular, empty, not warm, index finger 3 plus. Patient is a 67-year-old female. Have you written all those points of the immediate expression? Check. Nothing on middle, nothing on ring. Six points are over. Now second step. Second is superficial. Index finger 3 plus. We have a filling at fourth point, at the distal end of the index finger. Middle finger 0. Index finger I told you something wrong and you all wrote.
Sir, ring finger or index finger?
I have told you something very wrong and you have nobody has asked me a question. You are not alert. What I said,
You have mentioned the fourth sensation on the fourth part of the
Fourth
finger.
point.
I made sensation on the fourth part at superficial
Point.
level and
Yes,
you
sir.
all accepted and written it. You should be alert. There are no parts on the superficial level. There are gatis. I was just testing whether you are alert, had a cup of coffee or not.
No, sir, we are thinking that is Ana, Udana, Vyana, Apana.
How can it be on the superficial level, apana, udana? Can it be there?
Vyana.
Be very
No, sir.
alert. You should be very alert. Remember this. So it is index finger 3 plus Sarpagati. Middle finger nothing. Ring finger 3 plus Sarpagati. I'm asking you whether you are writing it. Please watch. Let it be correct or not. And you never had a thought that it is why there is fourth part on superficial level. Huh? There cannot be gati in the deep. Remember this. Gati is only seen in the superficial level. Regularity is only seen in the immediate expression. Pricking only in the immediate expression, nowhere else. You cannot make anything pricking anywhere. If it is pricking, it is in the immediate expression. Okay. So now third level. Index 0, middle 0, ring 3 plus. Index 0, middle 0, ring 3 plus. Got it? We go one step further. So subdosha level.
Dominance.
Dominant.
Dominance is written.
हाँ जादव साहब
Dominance is not.
Huh?
Dominance to be given.
I am telling you the only what are the findings. You have to tell me which is dominant afterwards, not now.
Okay.
Then subdosha level. Index fourth part. Middle nothing was felt. And ring. It was entire ring finger. Dhatu level. We got in index finger. Who reached the diagnosis? So how to diagnose? Kishore.
Sir, once repeat Dhatu level, sir.
Index finger. Diagnosis is ready or not?
So is this condition?
Hello?
Hello.
Sir, is this condition Gridrasi?
No way. So
Sir, Amavata.
do it. Let us start. How to do it? Don't be in a hurry. It's okay.
Okay.
That's absolutely fine. Now you have got the first idea. It is pricking pulse. What does it mean? Write down in front of it. What does it mean?
Pathological condition.
Pathological condition. Very good. Very good. Everybody understand this?
Yes, sir.
Anybody who has not been well versed with this term? Pricking pulse. Right. Now second, it is regular. What does it mean?
No CVS involvement. I mean, no cardiovascular abnormality.
Very correct. Everybody okay with this?
What, sir?
What is regular?
No abnormalities found.
No CVS.
No CVS. What is Sirisha? What do you think? What do you think?
Not.
How can you forget this? And it is nothing to do with abnormality, Saurabh. It is cardiovascular involvement. Abnormality is seen when there is pricking or not. That's all. Finish. Thereafter, nothing like abnormality. There is no involvement of cardiovascular system. It is empty. What does it empty means, Priyanka?
Chronic condition.
Yes, Ravi sir, I cannot hear you.
Chronic condition.
Chronic condition. Very correct. See, the sir is been out of Ayurveda for last 40 years and still trying to cope up with all these new terms. What does it mean by not warm?
It's
Ama
not
is
an
not
AMA
there.
condition.
Not Ama.
Not warm is
Not an
No
AMA
AMA.
condition.
there is no presence of ama, right? Everybody okay with this term? Very good. And now Index finger. What does it indicate? Unnati.
What problem?
What does it indicate?
What
What?
problem?
Don't call off vata. There is nothing like vata in immediate expression. What is there? Index finger.
Very strong pulsation, sir.
What does it mean?
Lower body activity is more
Lower body
predominant.
activity. There is something on the lower part of the body, and which is a severe one. Is this first picture complete to you?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Everybody?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Good. Let's keep it aside. Keep it aside. Let's go to second picture. It is index finger. What does index finger indicate?
What?
Vata.
What?
Vatakari and Vatasthana.
Vatasthana. Very correct. Siyadri, absolutely right. No Vat. Vatasthana. If you still carry this preconceptions of Vat, Pitta and Kapha, you will not be able to diagnose the way my method works. In immediate expression, it is lower part of body, middle part of body, upper part of body. In superficial, it is Vatasthana. Vatasthana, what is the intensity there?
Strong.
Strong.
What does it mean? There is a strong activity going on. Of what?
Vata in Vatasthana.
Vata what? Vata karya in what?
Vata karma in Vatasthana.
Vata karma in Vatasthana. Very correct. And that is severe one. In Pitta sthana, nothing found. And in ring finger is what? Kapha sthana. What is there in Kapha sthana?
Vata karma in Kaphasthana.
Very good. Everybody okay with this?
Yes, sir.
These people are not going to be with you when you are examining the patient. Neither I will be with you. You have to understand this process fully. Whatever your finding may be, they may be wrong. Your diagnosis will miss, but you don't make the mistake in calculation. That is very essentially to be correct. Because findings you are with the practice you can improve. Algorithm you cannot improve with practice. You have to set the algorithm fixed in the mind. Then should be this same ideology. Now we go to the third level. Maithili, what is third level?
Kapha, Vata predominant, Kapha, sir. Kapha abnormality in Kaphasthana.
Kaphasthana, where the Kaphasthana you got in deep?
Ring 3.
It is not Kaphasthana in deep. What does it mean in deep?
Prakriti.
Prakriti.
Prakriti, yes, sir. Sorry, Prakriti, sir.
So what is the prakriti of the patient, Shirisha? What is the prakriti of the patient?
Kapha
Kapha
Prakriti.
Prakriti.
Kapha Prakriti.
Kapha prakriti. How does it means and translates? Being a kapha prakriti, what does it translate? Is there any kapha prakriti person in our group? Visible people? Yes, Simadri.
Kapha Vata, sir.
Why Vata?
Because of dryness.
Where? We are talking about a case, my dear.
Okay, sir.
There we didn't find anybody. A Kapha
Okay.
Prakriti person, predominantly Kapha Prakriti person will be an obese person. Remember this. Predominant Kapha Prakriti person will be an obese person. And still he has got increased Vata activity in Vata Sthana and Kapha Sthana both. What does it mean? It means that the patient is exposed to Nidana of severe kind. Because being a Kapha Prakriti person, increased Vata indicates there is more of Vata indulgence is required. Nidana has to be used. Is this okay?
Yes.
Now we go to the fourth level, that is called Sabdosha level.
Apanavata indications.
This one is Apanavata. Very good. And then
Ring
Shleshaka
finger,
kapha.
Shleshaka kapha.
Shleshaka Kapha. Okay. Now last,
Dhatu level, it's Asti Dhatu. Sir.
Asti dhatu.
Asti Dhatu.
Sir,
So if you have these 5 pictures together, can you end up with a diagnosis? Yes.
sir, regarding the Sabdosha expression,
Osteoarthritis.
in the ring finger, we have mentioned as the all the 4 parts of the,
Entire finger was involved.
yes. So that should be the
What it should be?
Tarpak Kapha, na?
Where the Tarpak Kapha, remember? Can you just recall Kapha?
Sir, diagnosis is osteoarthritis.
Can you just recall Kapha, my dear?
Kledak Kapha, Bodak Kapha.
Kledak Kapha, Bodak Kapha is a wrong idea. Kledak Kapha, Avlambak Kapha.
Avalambaka kapha.
Then third number is Bodak Kapha. And what is fourth?
Tarpaka.
Tarpaka.
Fourth is Tarpak.
Loss of
If it is on all the complete finger, then it is
Shleshaka.
Shleshaka kapha.
Shleshak. Shleshak resides in.
Skin.
Now you have the picture. So it's a chronic case with an obese lady, no cardiac involvement, no ama involvement. The lower part is extremely involved. Second, we found Vata Karma in Vata Sthana and Vata Karma in
Kapha.
Kapha Sthana. So when we are talking about Vata Karma in Vata Sthana, in Vata Avayava, what we found is Apana, the excretory system. There the Vata Karma, the Rukshata might have happened. And in Kapha Sthana, we identified joints. The Vata activities happen. And last we found bones. So it is not only the erosion of the bone, because Rukshata, when there is Dhatukshaya, Vata will increase. Astikshaya Janya, Sandhigat Vata. But there is one additional thing with this, with Vibandha. Apan is not acting properly. She is a 67-year-old lady, post-menopausal, obese. So, erosion of the bone is not uncommon. Now I'm talking in both the terms. I told you about Ayurvedic Nidan first, and then what physiologically might have happened. Because of post-menopausal syndrome, her calcium might have been lost. And so over a period, it doesn't happen overnight. And she is constipated too. So now you can inquire with the patient what kind of work she is doing, and you will find out that she must be a hard worker, moving lot around. I am sharing this pulse of a lady who was selling chakrika, murukku in Kannada. Chakrika in Sanskrit, chakli in
Chakli, sir.
Huh? So,
Chakli. In
Chakli.
Kannada also we call it as Chakli, sir.
so then when she was selling it door to door, climbing the stairs, so there was a reason for Vata to increase. And another reason to Vega Avarodha. So Vata increased in both ways. One is Vega Avarodha and the other one was Dhatukshaya. And as a sailor, her diet was not supporting her body. She was okay. She was eating anything and everything available. Being in the business of fried things, was eating lot of fried things. So that is how, and when she was going to the stores where she was keeping the material to sell, she used to eat some nonsense material there, where the nutrition values are low. That's how you can get the entire picture out of the pulse. But that needed one particular phenomena that you have to stick with the pulse, identify everything what is happening in that pulse, and then make 5 pictures separate. Don't mix any information of superficial with immediate, with deep, with sabdosha or with dhatu. All these 5 informations are separate. You have to identify the information separately and then combine these 5 information together to form the diagnosis. Let us go for one more. Now, this time, you have to volunteer. Who want to answer? Like Maithili directly said, it's osteoarthritis. No, not that. Not that. You have to answer is solve the entire story step by step. Give us 5 pictures first, and then end up with diagnosis, and then provide us the reasoning for the diagnosis. Okay, everybody ready?
Sir.
Yes, sir.
I can see only 10 out of 16 people who are attending. There are remaining guys. Huh? Because as I cannot see you, I cannot really ask you some questions. Because if you are in dark, like Ayman, I have never seen her in last 5 days. Anusha, I saw her once. Huh? Kiran, I saw her yesterday. Aditi, I don't know where is she.
Sir,
You are there, right? Okay. Fine. So now, let us go with the next case. Now getting enjoyment. Some fun factor is coming in the picture now. Pulse is a very funny phenomenon. We really entertain examining a pulse. And getting a diagnosis out of it. Today morning, I got a call. One of my students from Anand, Gujarat, called me at around 11 o'clock and asked me, sir, which sweet you like most? I said, okay, why? I don't like sweets. No, sir, I want to send you some sweets urgently. I asked him, why? Sir, I could diagnose the case of mitral regurgitation before patient spoke. And I could identify it from the pulse. So I am really extremely happy today. And I wanted to send you some gifts. I said, okay, this is Corona time. nothing now. So he only about a month ago he said the pulse is not going like simple waveform. It is something like hissing. He was very classically explaining it. It was like hissing. I asked him whether the patient had VSD, ventricular septal disease. In those patients, when you are keeping your fingers on the pulse, you get that hissing thing. Sarpagati only, but of a different kind. That's what I said. These are what I have taught you in last 4 days was the very basics of the pulse, which everybody can understand. It is ABCD of the pulse. In one instance, like Sarpa only. But if Sarpa is like Ajgara, Python, it's a different state. And if the Python ate something, and if you get the similar feeling in the pulse, imagine, just think, pulse was, you can always feel that something is moving, but it is not moving with comfort. The classical case of Kapajgrani. You can identify it. A similar phenomena can happen if there is an adenocarcinoma of stomach. But then don't keep this thing in mind. You have to think only of those 14 things which I have told you. Practice it regularly. Do 1000 pulse analysis, and then you will slowly start getting these variations in the pulse by practice. Then you may someday call me, sir, I am very happy today because I could make some diagnosis. It was very accurate, and this is not far away. 90 days, that's all. But only thing is every day 30 times. That is what is required. So the next case. Pricking pulse. Regular. Pricking pulse. Regular. Full. 1. Index 3 plus. Middle 3 plus. Ring 3 plus. I'm in a class right now. We'll talk afterwards. Is it all 6 points written? So superficial. Index. Two plus. Ansagat. Middle 3 plus. Mandukagat. Ring 2 plus. Sarpagat. This is a 40-year-old insurance agent, male. The deep. Index 2 plus, middle 3 plus, ring 0. Index 2 plus, middle 3 plus, ring 0. Subdosha. Index we got in the second part. Middle, it was 2, 3, and 4.
Middle 2, 3, and 4, sir.
Yes, 2, 3, and 4. Ring, second part. Clear? Dhatu label, ring finger. Now you have to analyze, make 5 pictures, then join them together, come to a diagnosis, and then volunteer. You want to explain. Explain from point 1 to last point, and then diagnose. Don't. We don't have 1 hour. We have only 5 minutes to speak.
Hello.
Yes, please speak.
Breaking pulse, it is paranormal.
Hmm?
Regular, there is no involvement of CVS. Full, it is an acute condition. And presence of AMA is there all over the body.
Okay.
And in superficial expression, we find in Vatasthana. In
Kapha?
Kafakarya Vatasthana,
Kapha in Vatasthana. Very good.
which is moderate, strong with the and moderate.
Hello. Who is speaking?
Hello.
Who is speaking? Sankalp or Sihadri?
No, sir, I'm not speaking, sir.
Yeah, Sankalp, speak.
No, sir, I was not. Sir. Simhadri was speaking, sir.
Sihadri was speaking. Please, Sihadri, why don't you speak? Unmute yourself.
Yes, sir.
You are muted. Yeah,
And
please.
in deep expression, behind Pradhana Vata Prakriti.
Okay.
We find Udana Vayu sir, if we find more than a single area, it is of number 5, right, sir? Hello.
Yeah, speak.
You told that in middle finger we found 2, 3, and 4, sir.
Yes.
If it is more than 2, it is number 5, right?
What does it mean?
Bhrajaka Pitta, sir.
Okay.
Hello.
Speak further.
And in ring finger, second means it's Aulambaka Kapha, sir.
Okay.
And Dhatu level, again, ring means it is Rasa Dhatu is involved.
Okay. Now Nidana. You are absolutely right. Now make a Nidana. Niranjan sir, unmute yourself and tell me the Nidana.
Amavata. Amavata.
Amavata, do you get complete body involved? Amavata, do you get complete body involved?
No, sir.
No.
Sir, Vishamajwara.
Okay. Why Vishamajwara?
Sir, all body involvement is there, sir, and Rasadhatu is involved, sir.
Okay.
Ama is more, sir, actually.
Okay.
I think it is Vishamajwara.
Okay. But it is acute.
Sir, Vishamajwara acute only. Na?
Vishamajwara acute होएगा?
Sir, I
Yes,
think
right.
it's a chest condition involved, sir. So the insurance agent will talk a lot. So maybe the Udana Vata is a predominant activity is there for that reason. And Avalambaka Kapha is also having more activity. So that's also related to the chest, and the pleural fluid may be involved. And Rasa Dhatu is also involved. Raso api Shleshmavat. So there's more Shleshma activity involved, and there's Kapha activity predominant in Vata Sthana. So maybe chest pathology, maybe Shwasa or Kasa is involved.
And then there is Vata activity in Kapasthana too.
Kapasthana.
Yes.
What does it mean? Sir, almost at right end. Can we explain every point? No. You have to keep the holistic approach. The entire whole has to be considered. Pulse has to be taken as a whole, not in parts. Kiran was right. It was a Jwara. Could be Vishama, could be Sama, or could be Sannipata. Vishama Jwara, very specific thing happens. Kapasthana Anupurvya. So, in those cases, you find predominant activity of Kapha all over. It's an acute Jwara where there is involvement of Kapha in Vata Sthana, Vata in Kapha Sthana, and Pitta in Pitta Sthana. So Pitta in Pitta Sthana with Rasa and Am together tells you about Dwara. The second part, what Aditi said, so there is some pathology of chest in Vata Sthana, the Udana Sthana, there is a kapha activity. There is some congestion, there is some accumulation. And kapha sthana, the same avlambak kapha sthana, there is vata activity, gati more. When the vata will be activated in kapha sthana, it will end up into coughing. And as there is a congestion, it is a productive cough. As there is already a congestion, it's a productive cough. Must be having some difficulty in breathing. But with that fever, you can definitely correlate this with kaphavata jwara, or in easy language, could be a case of acute bronchitis, pneumonitis. These are the findings which one of my students, Dr. Gunde, found it in COVID patients. He worked in a COVID ward for 2 months just to measure the pulse of COVID patients. And in majority of the patients, when there are only cough was a predominant symptom, these were the findings. There were alteration in the finding. The patient got severe. So you can always make it as you gone through the diagnosis, near the diagnosis, you can have easily little bit more have ended up in the rightest possible of diagnosis. This is how the Nadi helps you. So homework for you tomorrow. Everyone must write, must. I'm sharing with you the WhatsApp format. Here you can write case number and minimum 5 cases each. Only the findings, pulse. You can read, think, write out of your experience of the practice. You can write down those cases, 5 cases. I'm not asking for 30, but you have to check your own pulse 30 times, all the 5 minutes. That's a must. That's a must. And then slowly identify what activity you are doing. I asked you, the second column always has to be the activity. So the impact on the doshas or subdoshas or dhatus after activity can be easily gauged, identified, and can be later used. So 5 cases each. You must try to write down those cases. I'm sharing with you. I'll have to write it out because it will take some time to type. And then what you do is fill those and share 5 cases each. One more thing you can do. Other than your 5 cases, you can try analyzing the cases posted by other people. Try to come to diagnosis. Let the one who posted the case identify whether it is correct or not. It's a kind of self-judging and self-teaching. So we'll see you tomorrow, 6:30, with some more exciting cases, some more exciting findings. I will select few of your cases to discuss. I'll add some more cases to discuss. And more important, I'll be talking to you about some technology in pulse diagnosis. How can you use your technology for your routine practice, day-to-day practice, can help patients. If you have questions, please.
Sir, once you explain subdosha expression, sir,
In the sense,
means one, if we are finding the no, sir, first, second, third, fourth,
I've shared
more than
with you
four,
I shared with you the
yes,
paper.
means more
Already
than five
shared
means
with you. There are number. The index finger has got prana number 1, udana number 2, samana number 3, apana number 4. If it is
you said
follow.
multiple, sir. Multiple means
Multiple means
Vyana.
5 number vyana.
Vyana, okay. Okay, sir. That's
Fine. Anything else?
Hello,
Yeah, please.
sir. In deep expression,
Yeah.
if we find all the three pulses under all the three fingers, and if it is strong,
In deep expression, what you found?
pulse for all the
Background
three
sound
fingers in the
coming from somewhere. Please check it out. Yeah. In deep expression, what you found?
if pulse is found in all the three fingers,
Okay.
and all the three fingers is strong,
Okay.
what can we diagnose it
What
as
could be
Tridosha or
It is Prakriti. So what kind of Prakriti it is?
Tridosha?
Tridosha Prakriti. What is wrong in that?
Like in diagnosing, how can we interpret it?
So the patient's Prakriti is Tridoshatmak. The rest of the things are to be identified yet. So Prakriti doesn't has a role in your baseline things. But your Vikruti is there, your Dhatu is there, your organs are there, your overall condition is there. Diagnosis with one line. If I tell you the pulse is warm, diagnosis impossible.
Possible.
It is impossible. You got immediate level on all the three fingers. Diagnosis, no, not possible. You have to go through all 5 levels individually, separately, identify them separately, and then after the analysis, bring those 5 pictures together to make a diagnosis. Right?
Okay, sir.
Anything else?
Sir, in deep expression, the Prakriti analysis that we get, sir, shouldn't it be the same every time we do the analysis? But it's seen that the Prakriti itself changes when we analyze. So
No,
isn't that wrong,
really,
sir?
it doesn't really changes. What happens is there is a small glitch. When you are putting your fingers for deep, when you have closed it off, you have to raise it very slowly. All the 3 fingers should be on one plane. And the moment you find out the pulsation, invariably it will be in the ring finger. Stop there. Don't go beyond. If you leave the place and move little bit here and there, then your level is altered. If your fingers are not in same plane, your level, the information is altered. So that happens. It normally doesn't change unless there is some kind of strong, severe illness for a very long time. It doesn't change. Anything else? See you tomorrow, same time, with at least this time also you write at least 5 cases. You are not writing. I'm so sorry for that.
Thank you, sir.
Namaste.